Good morning children. In today's session I am going to give you the book back answer in science for 6th standard. So already in unit 1 I have given book back answers for you children. Now from the unit 5, that is plants in daily life, this lesson is also already taken for you. Now we'll write the book back answers. So those who have not bought the book, please buy the book children. Books are available in the school. So without the book you cannot do anything, you cannot mark anything in the book. So mark it, okay. To mark this you have to buy the book children, okay. Then those who have the book, you can take your book, page number 77. Choose the correct answer first. One of the following birds is an example of plant pollinator. Answer is C, hummingbird. First one, C. Second, natural mosquito repellent is D, neem. That is, for second one is D, neem. Third, which of the following is not a root? A, potato. Fourth, which of the following medicinal plants have anti-cancer properties? C, turmeric. Fourth one, C, turmeric. Fifth, which is a natural tree of India? Fifth one, C, banyan tree. So once again I'll tell you all children. First one C, second D, third A, fourth C, and fifth one C. Second we'll see the Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. So we'll see the answers. Every year October 16th, okay, October 16th is celebrated as World Food Day. Second dash is an example of textile fiber. Answer is cotton. Third, and the state tree of Tamil Nadu, who am I? Palm tree. Palm tree. Then the juice of the leaves of dash is plant relieves cough and bronchitis. Answer is tulasi. Then fifth one, the edible seeds of leguminous plants are called pulses. Okay, our children. Next is true or false. Roman number 3. True or false? First one, plants grown for decorative purposes are called as softwood. So you have this is false children. First one is false. So you have to underline softwood. So how will you write the correct statement? Plants grown for decorative purpose. For decorative purpose are called as softwood they have given. So underline that softwood, that is false. So correct statement is ornamental plants. Ornamental plants. So you have to underline softwood in the question, and the correct statement you have to underline ornamental plants. Okay. Now the second one, silkworm eats mulberry leaves. True. Third, cauliflower is used for ornamental purpose. So this also false. So instead of cauliflower, you have to underline cauliflower in the question. And what you have to write instead of that? You will write jasmine. Okay? You will write jasmine is the correct statement. Jasmine is used for ornamental purpose. You have to write that. Okay? Then fourth one also false. What is that? Cotton cloth is not suitable for summer season. That is false. How will you write? Cotton cloth is suitable. Anga vandu not neenga ezhudakudadu. Seriya? Anga not ezhudama cotton cloth is suitable for summer season. You will write the correct statement. Fifth one, sugarcane is used as biofuel. Yes, true. Then next is match the following. Match the following. So the numbers I'll put here. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2 is the number. You can take down in your book. Now I'll say the correct answers. Fiber yielding plant, that is hemp. Hardwood, teak wood. Neem, chloramine. Clove, spice. Millet, cereals. Okay, once again I'll tell you the straight answers. Fiber yielding plant, hemp. Hardwood, teak wood. Neem, chloramine. Fourth, clove, spice. Fifth, millet, cereal. So number is 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. Okay. Next, Roman number 5 and see analogy. Okay. So in analogy, mango, for answer for mango is fruit. Now maize answer is cereals. You will write cereals in the dash. Okay, next second. Coconut is fiber. Rose is ornamental. Rose is an ornamental. Okay. Then third, bees pollinate insect. Earthworms is a natural manure. Natural manure. Okay, children, have you taken down till here? Next, we will see the Roman number 6. Next, we will see Roman number 6. I think till here you have finished, children. Take down in your notebook. So those who have not bought the book, buy the book, children. Only then you can learn from the book. Otherwise, you cannot understand anything if you don't buy the book. So books are available in the school. You can come and buy the books, children. So till here we have finished. Now give very short answers. Roman number 6. Give very short answer. So now listen carefully, children, what I am telling. Give very short answers. There are 6 questions in the book. No need to touch this. Okay, இது நீங்கள் வந்து தொடவே தேவையில்லை. புரியுதா? இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தேவையில்லை. நான் கொடுக்குற கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்கள் எழுதினா போதும். புரிஞ்சுதா? So whatever I am giving the question answers, you can write. So what you do, you take a rough notebook. What you have to do, you have to write the questions separately in the rough notebook. புரியுதா? First rough note questions எழுதிக்கோங்க. Answers will be marked in the book. Okay. So now after that, you can take your classwork one by one with the question. You can write the answer. Okay, children. So have the rough note separately. I'll write the questions on the board and I'll mark the answers in the book. So you have to write in the rough notebook first the questions தனியா எழுதிக்கோங்க. And then what you have to do, you have to take your classwork one by one with the question you have to write in the answer. Okay, children, did you understand what I said? So now give very short answers. I said no need to touch in this. அப்படியே strike out பண்ணிடுங்க. தேவையில்லை அந்த questions. சரியா? Now first question is, what are medicinal plants? That is in page number 71. So those have the book, you can take page number 71, left side. So this is left and this is right side. Okay, children. First side, left side, medicinal plants side heading கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, let's see the first line, some. Some, open the bracket. Some of the plants around us are good in healing our diseases. We call these plants as medicinal plants. Third line, medicinal plants. The bold letters that you have to close the bracket. Okay, 3 lines. Starting, some, open the bracket. And the third line, medicinal plants, close the bracket. That's your first answer. Okay. Now second, define. Write down the questions in your rough notebook first, children. Fiber yielding. Define fiber yielding plants. And same page, this is also in the same page number 71. So same page, first question on the left side you marked it. Now in the right side you see. Right side ku ponga, first line. What is the first line? What first word is there? Plants. Plants, open the bracket. Plants which give us fibers necessary for our uses are called as fiber yielding plants. Idu bold letters la எழுதிருக்கு சரியா? Plants வந்து see here, close the bracket. So plants, open the bracket, and third line, plants, close the bracket. That is your second short answer. Okay, children, define fiber yielding plants. Question is on the board. Page number also I have given. So first one, it's on the left side and the second one is on the right side. Okay, children. Now third one, question is, classify the fiber yielding plants based on use. This also comes under page number 71 only. புரியுதா? பேஜ் நம்பர் 71ல ரைட் சைட் பாருங்க. அதே நீங்கள் ஃபைபர் yielding plants மார்க் பண்ணீங்க இல்லையா, அது கீழே அப்படியே வாங்க. சரியா? கீழே வரும்போது க்ரீன் கலரில் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் யூஸ் எழுதியிருக்காங்க. Could you able to see, children? தெரியுதா? Based on use. Those who have the book. So those who don't have the book, you have to buy the book, children, only then you can mark it, okay? So based on use, how many points? 3 points I've given, that is textile fibers, cottage fibers and filling fibers. These 3 points you have to mark for this question, okay children? That is textile, open the bracket. Last line kuduthirukanga example silk cotton, third point la, so close the bracket, okay? These 3 points you have to write, okay children? Are able to say it? So first point textile fibers and your example silk cotton, okay? This third answer, questions are on the board, okay? Then this is the third. Then fourth one, classify the fiber yielding plants based on plant parts, okay? This also same page number 71 idella 4 questions me. All this comes under page number 71 only, okay? Now you mark third question mark பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா, அது கீழ அப்படியே பாருங்க, இன்னொரு இதுல green lineல எழுதிருக்காங்க side heading based on plant parts. Could you able to see children? So அது கீழே இருக்கும், third mark பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா, அது கீழே fourth one you have to mark. Then for this also how many points are there? 4 points given, okay? So first point it starts with the plant and the last point ends with the coconut. These 4 points you have to write for this fourth answer. You are able to understand children what I said? So all these 4 questions are coming under this page only, okay? First on the left side, that is medicinal plants. Second on the right side, okay? First line itself it starts. How many is it? 3 lines are there. Next when you go down in the green letters they have written based on use. That is the third answer. How many points are there? 3. Mark it this 3 points. And then again next fourth answer, okay? So there அப்படியே நீங்க கீழே போனீங்கன்னா based on the plant parts கொடுத்திருக்காங்க green color side heading, சரியா? So you have to mark this 4 points, okay children? Now you are able to understand what I said now? So 4 questions I have written on the board, take down in your rough notebook, okay? So after marking it you can take down in your class work. So with the question you have to write, okay, the answers. Then next we are going to write now next Roman number 7, answer in detail. Answer in detail. So short answer எப்படி எழுதுறோமோ டீடைலும் அப்படி தான் நம்ம எழுத போறோம், சரியா? So first one, take page number 69. So I'll write the question for you, that is detail 1. Classify the plants as food with example. This is the first detailed question for you children and this is in the page number 69. Okay, are you able to take those? Have the book, you can take page number 69 children. So you have to write the question, classify the plants as food with example. So first what you will do, first line மேல என்ன இருக்கு, black color ல இருக்கு பாருங்க, bold letters ல, what is the first word? Vegetables. Open the bracket, okay? அப்படியே ஃபுல்லா நீங்க எல்லாமே எழுதணும், that is அப்படியே கண்டினியூ ஆகும். vegetables, roots, leaves, stems, flowers, fruits ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும். நீங்க cereals கீழே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அதுவும் எழுதணும். See on the right side மேல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, pulses, okay? That is the green letters ல இருக்கு இல்லையா, pulses எங்கே முடியுது, அந்த pulses green mung bean ல முடியுது, சரியா? அந்த bean close the bracket. Did you understand children? இது ஃபுல்லாவே உங்களுக்கு டீடைல்ல வரும், ஓகே? நீங்க எழுதும்போது ஈஸியா தான் இருக்கும் because all 2 lines only, okay? So the பேஜ்ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு பெருசா தெரியுது, but when you write in the class work it will be easy for you to learn, okay? So start with the vegetables, ஃபுல்லா நீங்க எழுதணும். Cereal side heading you have to, vegetables first side heading you have to underline, you have to line என்னென்ன எழுதணும் நீங்க, roots, leaves, stems, flowers, vegetables ஃபுல்லா with the examples you have to write. Leave one line and write cereals, underline the side heading and write all these 3 lines and again leave one line and write side heading pulses and you have to write. You know how to write children? நான் எப்படி எழுதணும் உங்களுக்கு நான் lower classes ல கூட சொல்லியிருக்கேன் எப்படி எழுதணும்னு. So you have to write like that only, okay? So detail 1 finishes here in page number 69. Next detail 2 we'll see. Question is give any 5 medicinal plants give any 5 medicinal plants and their medicinal use. So in the page number 71, see here left side la ungalku tabular column theriyudha, that is green, blue and orange. That tabular column you have to write fully. All eppadi irukko appdiye dhaan ezhudano. That is plant name, parts used and medicinal use. You have to write this, okay? The tabular column அப்படியே அதில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி இந்த tabular column அப்படியே நீங்கள் எழுதணும், okay? That's page number 71 on the left side. என்னென்ன இருக்குது, green, blue, orange கலரில் அந்த tabular column இருக்கு இல்லையா, that tabular column fully you have to write this second detail. Did you understand this, student? ஃபுல்லாக புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு? So that is choose I have given, then fill up, true or false, match, analogy, give very short answers. இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் தொடவே தேவையில்லை, புரியுதா? புக்கில் ரோமன் நம்பர் 6லேருந்து எதுவும் நீங்கள் பார்க்க வேண்டாம். புக்கில் ரோமன் நம்பர் 5 வரைக்கும் அதில் எழுதி படித்தா போதும், புரியுதா? ரோமன் நம்பர் 6 அண்ட் ரோமன் நம்பர் 7, that is short answers and detail questions நான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரஃப் நோட்டில் எழுதிக்கோங்க ஃபுல் கொஸ்டின்ஸும், and then answers I have marked in the book, okay? So after that what you will do, you will take your class work, full objectives எல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு then give very short answers. கொஸ்டின் எடுத்து ரஃப் நோட்டில் கொஸ்டின் எழுதிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா, இந்த கொஸ்டின் எழுதி நோட் புக்கில் என்ன மார்க் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களோ அந்த ஆன்சர் லைன் பை லைன், ஒன் பை ஒன் you have to write. That is very short answer Roman number 6 and Roman number 7 answer in detail. இந்த பேஜ் நம்பர் 78ல இருக்கிற எதுவும் நீங்கள் தொட தேவையில்லை, புரிஞ்சுதா? So what I have given, Roman number 6 give very short answer. How many questions I have given? That is 4. And Roman number 7 2 details. அது மட்டும் எழுதினா உங்களுக்கு போதும், புரிஞ்சுதா? Right, as soon as you have marked this, take down in your classwork, children, okay? So the notebooks will be asked for your correction. So நீங்கள் ஃபுல்லாக நீங்கள் up to date correction எழுதி வைக்கணும், புரிஞ்சது எல்லாருக்கும்? So with this we are finishing this lesson, children, okay? In the next class we will start with another lesson, children. Thank you.